In the relentless grind of modern warfare on the Ukrainian front, where every shell counts and logistics are stretched thin, a quiet revolution is taking place in Russian artillery units. While the world focuses on mass barrages and sheer volume of fire, Russian forces are deploying one of the most effective precision tools in their arsenal: the Krasnopol 152mm guided artillery shell. This isn't just another munition, it's a game-changer that's dramatically slashing ammunition consumption while delivering devastating results. Imagine this: a forward observer, or more commonly today, a reconnaissance drone like the Orlan 30, spots a Ukrainian artillery position, a command post, or a column of armored vehicles attempting to maneuver under cover. Instead of calling in a traditional fire mission that might require dozens of unguided rounds to saturate the area, the Russian battery loads a Krasnopol. One shot, one hit, target neutralized with surgical precision. Developed in the Soviet era and continuously refined, the 2K-25 Krasnopol, and its upgraded M2 variant, is a laser-guided, fin-stabilized, base bleed-assisted projectile. Weighing around 50 kg with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead containing roughly 6.5 to 8 kg of explosives, it is compatible with a wide range of Russian 152mm systems, including the venerable 2S-3 Akatsiya, 2S-19 MSTAS, Towed D-20 and MSTAB howitzers, and even advanced platforms like the 2S-35 Koalitsiya SV. Its semi-active laser homing system is the STAR. A laser designator, often from a drone or ground observer, illuminates the target. The shell's seeker locks on during the terminal phase, steering with folding wings for pinpoint accuracy. Reports indicate a circular error probable, CEP, as low as 1 to 2 meters, turning what would be an area effect weapon into a sniper rifle for artillery. Range typically reaches 20 kilometers standard, with enhanced versions and specific guns pushing further, up to 25 to 40 kilometers in optimal conditions with rocket assistance or advanced charges. It can engage moving targets up to 36 kilometers per hour and uses a top attack profile, striking the vulnerable roof armor of tanks and vehicles where protection is thinnest. Unlike GPS-dependent munitions vulnerable to jamming, Krasnopol relies on laser designation, making it resilient in contested electronic warfare environments. In the high-intensity battles of 2025-2026, Russian artillery has ramped up Krasnopol production significantly. This shift isn't born of desperation but of smart adaptation. Traditional unguided 152mm shells might require 10, 20, or even more rounds to destroy a well-entrenched target due to dispersion, often 50 to 200 meters or more. Krasnopol changes the equation entirely. A single round or a tight salvo achieves what used to demand a barrage. Russian sources and battlefield reports highlight two major benefits: drastically reduced ammunition expenditure per target and preserved barrel life on howitzers. In a war where supply lines face constant drone and missile threats, firing fewer rounds means fewer vulnerable resupply convoys, less wear on logistics, and sustained fire support over longer periods. One well-placed Krasnopol can eliminate a Ukrainian howitzer, a tank, or a fortified position that would otherwise tie down entire batteries. Crews report high first-round hit probabilities, often exceeding 80 to 90% under proper designation. This efficiency allows Russian forces to maintain pressure across multiple sectors without exhausting stockpiles. While Ukraine and its partners struggle with artillery ammunition shortages and counter-battery fire, Russian units using Krasnopol conserve resources for decisive moments. It's precision over brute force, a doctrine proving highly effective in attritional warfare. Picture a Russian artillery battery in Donbass, early 2026. Drones detect Ukrainian forces massing for a counterattack near a key village. Conventional shells would scatter and alert the enemy. Instead, Krasnopol M2 rounds streak in. One destroys a command vehicle. Another cripples a self-propelled gun. The assault collapses before it begins. Minimal rounds fired, minimal exposure, maximum disruption. These shells excel against high-value targets, towed artillery, armor, bunkers, and even small concentrations of infantry. Their fragmentation warhead creates lethal effects in a wide radius upon impact, but the accuracy ensures energy is focused where it matters. In urban or forested terrain, where collateral matters for operational tempo, this precision minimizes wasted effort and supports advancing infantry more effectively. Russian defense industry, through companies under Rostec, has scaled production to meet frontline demands. The Krasnopol M2 variant improves reliability, packaging, and integration with modern drones for faster target handoff. This synergy between UAV reconnaissance and guided artillery represents a mature, integrated fire system that gives Russian forces a tangible edge in counter-battery duels and deep support missions. Critics often portray Russian artillery as reliant on sheer volume from Soviet-era stocks. The widespread adoption of Krasnopol reveals a more nuanced reality: adaptation and innovation under pressure. By prioritizing precision-guided munitions, Russia is stretching its industrial output further, reducing dependency on endless mass production of dumb shells, and achieving better outcomes with fewer resources. This approach preserves equipment longevity, eases logistical burdens, and allows sustained operations even when facing challenges. In a conflict defined by attrition, efficiency is victory. Krasnopol embodies that, turning artillery from a blunt hammer into a surgeon's scalpel. As the conflict continues, expect to see more of these smart shells dominating Russian fire missions. The message to adversaries is clear: Russian artillery isn't just firing more, it's firing smarter. One Krasnopol at a time, they're reshaping the battlefield, conserving strength for the long fight, and proving that precision wins wars as much as power. The Krasnopol 152mm guided shell isn't just shocking the enemy, it's redefining efficiency in modern artillery warfare. Russia's forces are ready, precise, and unrelenting.